Fantastic weather today. The sun is out. So now today it's a few errands to do. So let's go. This here, maybe not the best to have on display. It looks good, $4.99, but I cannot buy these shelves. I cannot buy extra. When you put something on display, I don't want to complain, but maybe you should put it more so it looks, well, better for the customer. That was heavy. What happened in this moment is my car battery died. So after a while, since it didn't work whatever I did, I called a tow company. And then when he came, he started my car with a jumper. A jumper in this case is like a portable car battery. Everything went great. The car started, but I didn't trust the car in this moment. So I asked him to join me to the garage. So if my car will break down on the way to the garage, I had a tow company behind me, so he could just tow my car there. But I didn't need to be towed to the garage. My car worked all the way down there. When I came to the garage, I had to call my father to borrow his car. So I went to my father, borrowed his car, went back to the garage, because now I have to take all these Ikea Bror items. Bror in English is brother, so technically in English is Ikea brother. Now I had to take it all that from my car to my father's car. And now let's continue with the video and you will see what will happen. I don't understand when people say they build their dream studio, the dream YouTube studio. I just don't understand what that means, because the way I see it, so many times I had to rebuild my studio all the time because it has to fit the needs I have. And it feels like the perfect furniture or the perfect YouTube studio or the perfect studio doesn't really exist. But the journey to come there, even if it doesn't exist, the journey to come there, as you have seen in this video, there has been several attempts to make the studio the way I want it. I'm getting closer to it, but it's also a very tight apartment. So as you can see in this video, there has been a lot of things happening here in my life with this studio and all that. And this studio is far from ready. As I said it before, the dream studio, as I feel that doesn't exist. But you can maybe make a studio that fits for the way you work. That could be one thing. But as I feel here on this place, there's no really like a dream studio for me. It's more like updating the studio, changing the studio because of the way your workflow goes. But I think that is the part, because when you change something today in the studio, 2 weeks from now maybe you have a different kind of event or whatever you're gonna do, and you need to change something again. But so far I'm not really finished here. There will be more videos about this. And my name is Mike. I'm from Malmö, Sweden. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.